This is a brand new 2014 Toyota Tundra. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.7-liter V8, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, speed-sensitive volume controls, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: the Toyota N-Tune infotainment system, a spray-on bed liner, cruise control, a CD player, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a power driver's seat, air conditioning, steering wheel mounted controls, and an auxiliary power outlet. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Yoakum Toyota is conveniently located at 1199 East Bert Coons in Shreveport. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.